this initialization will automatically, when you initialize the arrays, the initialization will automatically allocate memory and also fix the size of the array. Okay, the array initialization allocates memory and also the size is set to, what is the size? The number of elements in the set to number of elements or number of values in the initialization. Okay. Now in this example, we have given 7 values. So what is the size of x? Size of the array is 7. Okay. Now we want to add one method to this. Okay. We want to display all the values. So let me write one display function. Okay, what is the display function doing? The display function will display all the values, 7 values. How do you display 7 values? I have to use the for loop. For int I equal to 0, because the subscript starts from 0, I is equal to 0, I less than 7 or I less than or equal to 6, because the subscript goes up to 6. I plus plus, you want to display the values. Okay, we want to display the values. How do you display the values? How do you access the array elements? X of I. We want to give some space after this so that the output looks neat. Okay? That is all we want to do in the display. Display is just displaying all the 7 values. Okay? Now, so in this class we have one instance variable which is an array, and we have one method called display. I'll just call it as a disp to be simpler. Okay, we have the main method. How do you access these members of the class? We need an object to access members of a class. To access members of class. Okay, how do you do this? Through object. Through an object. Okay, so we have to declare an object. How do you declare an object? The data type, class name. For each is the name of the class. For each is name of the class. The name of the object is obj equal to new, the constructor. What is the constructor? The class name is the constructor. Okay, so here we have not defined this constructor. If you don't define the constructor, the default constructor will be called. So what is the default constructor doing? The default constructor allocates memory. Okay, default constructor allocates memory to the object, and initialize the instance variables, and also initialize instance variables. In this case, what are the instance variables? Only one instance variable we have, which is x. So here we have given initialization. Okay. Now we want to display the values. Already the element values are given using initialization. We want to display all the 7 values. We have already written a program to the method to this. Disp is the method to display the array elements of x. Now, how do we call that display? Disp method through the object dot disp. Does disp require any parameters? No, there are no parameters to disp, so we don't have to give the parameters. Is that clear? Now let us, for each is the name of the class, for each dot job. Okay, let us execute. Okay, let us see the output. Okay, you have displayed the values. Okay, this is the first statement we have used for displaying the values. You have one more version of for, that is called as for each. You already know for statement. For each statement. What is for each statement? Whenever you are accessing the array elements, if you want to access every element of it one by one, we can write the for statement like this. For int I is my control variable. Okay, remove all that. For int I colon, so I is the control variable. Which array elements you want to access? X. So here I is the control variable, X is our array. That means for every element of X, you do this. How many elements are there? 7 elements are there. So take each element of X. Okay, take each element of X. Okay. You want to display each element. Where is each element available? Each element is available in I. So I have to give only I. Okay. So for each, this is called as for each statement. Each element of X, you store it in I. Display the tag. Each element of X, you have 7 elements. Each element of X, you take it as I, that you display. Okay, is that clear? So let us execute, then we will discuss. Okay, that is what it is. Same thing, whatever the for statement you have written earlier is the same as this. So in this case, so every element of X is first put into the variable I. Okay, now first value of I is 10. That 10 you want to display. Second element 20, put it in I, display that I. Third element, fourth element, 7 times the loop will be executed. 7 times the loop is executed. This is a special form of for called for each. This is called as for each statement. Okay, this is called as for each statement.